Before we get into this massive PAIRADICE TV weekend preview, crazy work. We're proud to let all the gearheads and car culture fans know that PAIRADICE TV and Porcaro Indian Motorcycle of Racine is teaming up to bring you the first annual Where Legends Still Ride car and bike open house event. Think Chef.
Hi, I'm Chef Bill, and we're here at the Nash of Porcaro Indian Motorcycle of Racine.
Think raffles. There's gonna be a live band and special guest host. For all the details, visit PAIRADICETV.com. Now, where were we?
Hi, we're at Lowrider in Milwaukee. Come on over.
Oh yes, crazy work.
I don't think they'd mind. I'm watching PAIRADICE TV.
We hope you have enjoyed this tiny taste of rubber. More coming. Meantime, attack that like button for us. Join the vibe, subscribe, and if this made you want to spare some rubber, think it over with us in the comments instead. Might want to save crazy for the pros. Dropping something unforgettable this week, so don't sleep. From the Brew City,
Where legends still ride.
to everywhere.
The one and only, here you go. Make sure you show up by the 14th.